In mechanical keyboards, switch types really matter. They can make or break your keyboard experience. First off, we have linear switches that make almost no sound and are very smooth. Then we have tactile switches, usually brown. They can be all other colors too, depending on manufacturer and flavor, so on. They make some noise, but they do offer a tactile feel when the key has registered. And of course, the clicky type, the blue, which makes a lot of noise and you have that tactile feel. So I'm changing the switches for an old Redragon keyboard. She came with blue, but some got defective and I just now got a whole set of blue switches, and I'm gonna repair them all so it can work just as new or even better, because there are some dust-proof switches. So in order to replace a switch, we must take the keycap off, and then using a switch puller, you just grab it very well, make sure that it goes beneath it on both sides, and then you just pull and are left with the slot where a new switch must be inserted. This is an Outemu board, I mean it supports Outemu switches with 3 pins, so mind that because there are various types and boards out there, and even not all support hot swapping like this one, so you can just change the switches as you please. All the switches have been pulled out. Gonna give it a quick clean and put in the new switches. So the new switches are in. Outemu Blue. It had blue before, but these are dust-proof. And they are new, and the keyboard is no longer a blue-red hybrid because red is what we had at the moment. So it's totally fixed and like new. Now to put the keycaps back on.